How to care for hyacinth plants indoors. Hyacinths are known for their strong fragrance and intense colored flowers. Hyacinth plants typically flower in the spring, producing blooms in shades of pink, purple, white, yellow or light blue. Growing hyacinth plants indoors is surprisingly easy. You can either purchase a potted hyacinth plant or grow your own from bulbs to enjoy in your house. With the right temperature, potting soil and planter, your hyacinth will bloom beautifully indoors. Things you will need: tall planter, sandy soil, hyacinth plant or bulbs, drip tray. Step 1. Select a potted hyacinth that has dark green, glossy, healthy-looking leaves. Purchase a hyacinth that stands erect and strong, one that has tight buds. Step 2. Get a deep planter for your hyacinth. If you're replanting a hyacinth from a bulb, plant the bulb at least 8 inches deep. Plant the bulbs flat side down and space them 2 to 3 inches apart. Step 3. Pot your hyacinth in sandy soil that provides good drainage. You don't need to add fertilizer to your hyacinth plant. Step 4. Place your potted hyacinth in a cool location away from heating vents and direct sunlight. The hyacinth enjoys bright and direct sunlight. Exposure to heat will shorten the plant's life expectancy and hasten its blooming. Step 5. Water the hyacinth every 2 to 3 days. Do not allow the soil to dry out completely.